Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Feeling bloated, tired, or foggy lately, even if you're eating healthy? Your liver might be begging for help, and most people don't realize it until it's already overworked. Stay until the end to learn the first natural food that helps your liver detox faster than most supplements. The liver is your body's main detox factory, handling over 500 functions daily. It metabolizes sugar and fats, filters toxins and hormones, and keeps everything moving. But processed food, high stress, and poor sleep strain liver function every single day. Think of your liver as a dishwasher that never gets a break. Eventually, it clogs. Nearly 1 in 3 adults now have some form of fatty liver disease without realizing it. Support the liver, and you unlock vibrant energy, clear thinking, and a body that feels truly well. Paying attention to liver health isn't just about avoiding disease. It's about optimizing your body's operating system. In a world of processed foods, environmental toxins, and chronic stress, recognizing the signs and supporting your liver is essential. And the good news is, it can heal. Your body is incredibly intelligent, sending signals long before serious problems. When the liver is overworked, it doesn't shout. It whispers. Those quiet symptoms are easy to dismiss as aging or stress, constant fatigue or brain fog that won't lift, trouble sleeping, belly fat that won't budge, especially a stubborn liver roll, yellowish or dull skin, bloating and slow digestion, waking between 1 to 3 a.m., the liver's repair window, and new sensitivity to caffeine or alcohol. These are not random symptoms. They're warning messages. When the main interchange clogs, chaos spreads. Digestion, hormones, skin, immunity, energy. Treat them as a gentle wake-up call. Your body is asking for change. Lighten the load and support optimal liver function. In 2025, our livers face non-stop pressure our ancestors never saw. Processed sugars, especially fructose, overload the liver, which converts excess into fat. That's a major driver of NAFLD, now at epidemic levels. Refined seed oils, high in omega-6, fuel inflammation, including in the liver. They're everywhere. Restaurants, packaged snacks, fast food, even moderate, consistent alcohol adds a toxic burden and steals resources from detox. Add pesticides, plastics, pollutants, small exposures that pile up into a massive load. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, disrupting liver enzymes and blood sugar, while poor sleep robs nightly repair. If this is helpful, keep watching. The #1 food and drink combo is coming up. Drop a comment if you've tried any liver cleanses. I'd love to hear your experience. The liver can regenerate up to 70% of its cells, even after damage. Fasting and nutrient-dense foods trigger autophagy, cleaning out old cellular parts. Key nutrients: choline, sulfur, antioxidants, power regeneration. When your liver heals, skin clears, energy rises, and hormones rebalance. You've turned an overworked filter into a recovering powerhouse. Coming up, the best foods to boost liver enzymes, support bile flow, fight inflammation, and the exact drink to start your day. Cruciferous vegetables boost liver enzymes: broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Beets support bile flow. Lemon water helps your morning detox routine. Garlic and onions provide sulfur for cleansing. Green tea and turmeric fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Avocados are rich in glutathione, the master antioxidant. Stay tuned. I'll show you when to eat these for the biggest benefit. Avoid processed sugar, especially fructose. Skip refined seed oils, corn, soy, canola. Limit alcohol, sleep deprivation, and late-night snacking. Every crash or nightcap is another overtime shift for your liver. Morning: warm lemon water, then a short walk to activate circulation. Afternoon: high-protein lunch with fiber-rich greens. Evening: eat early to create a fasting window. Sleep: aim for at least 7 hours for overnight detox. Weekly: add fasting or light meal days to reduce load. Your liver doesn't need fancy cleanses. It needs space and time to recover. When your liver thrives, your whole body does. Don't forget to subscribe and likes if you want to live longer and healthier.